Disclaimer: this video is only for education purpose. This script searches Windows for Wi-Fi passwords with Python already known and displays them alongside the network name. It will not find passwords that your computer doesn't already know. This is useful for the occasions that you forget your Wi-Fi password. So guys, my name is Eddie and welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Eddie. Today's video I'll show you how to get your forgotten Wi-Fi password by using Python. To run the code, open Windows PowerShell and type code dot and press the enter. After pressing enter, you will redirect to the VS Code. After redirect to the VS Code, now create a new file and save it as wifi.p. Now we are ready to start the code. So let's start. First import subprocess. This is the module we will use to interact with the CMD. Next, get the output for the command netsh wlan show profiles using subprocess.check_output. Then decode the output with UTF-8 and split the string by a new line character to get each line in a separate string. Now that we have a list of strings, we can get lines that only contain all user profile. With these lines we then need to split it by a get the right hand side and remove the first and last character. Now type data equals subprocess.check_output netsh wlan show profiles dot decode UTF-8 dot split slash un. Note that Unicode decode error. Ignoring it has come to my attention that many people are having issues with this, raising an uncoded decode error describing that UTF-8 codec can't decode a specific byte. This is caused by a byte in one of the profile names not being a character that is in the UTF-8 encoding. One way to fix this is changing the encodings from UTF-8 to CP1252 or another coding which may support your character. Do this first before trying the next script. Another way is to ignore the error and catch it later on. Now that we have a list of strings, we can get lines that only contain all user profile. With these lines we then need to split it by a get the right hand side and remove the first and last character. So that type profiles equals I dot split 1 1 minus 1 for I in data if all user profile in I. Now that the variable a contains the Wi-Fi profile names, we can get the output for the command netsh wlan show profile name key equals clear using subprocess.check underscore output again for a particular profile while looping through all profiles. So that type for I in profiles. Press enter. Now running the second command to check the password. Now type results equals subprocess.check underscore output netsh wlan show profile I key equals clear dot decode utf8 dot split slash un. Still in the loop, find lines that contain key content split by and remove the first and last character just like before. Or storing passwords after converting them to list. Now type results equals b dot split 1 1 minus 1 for b in results if key content in b. Now we should have a list containing one string which is the particular profile's key. Here you could just use a simple print statement, but I have just formatted it a bit. Or printing the profile's name or Wi-Fi name with their passwords using try and except method. So we have to write that try print less than 30 less than dot format I results 0. Except index error. Print less than 30 less than dot format I. Now save it and run code. And you will see the Wi-Fi names with passwords.